After you get done with a shoot, the last thing you really want to do is spend a ton of time editing. If we can make that as fast and as efficient as possible, that makes us really happy. And Luminar has a really cool tool called templates. Here up top, if you click templates, it will actually analyze your photo and it will decide what kind of photo it is. And it actually did a really good job here with this one. This was after a pillow fight. Feathers were everywhere. The kids' socks were covered in feathers. And it actually is suggesting a nature photo, which is interesting because there are a lot of
That's funny.
birds' feathers in the photo. It's also suggesting objects, which I think is maybe a better fit for this photo. And that's a really powerful tool because the templates will actually get you a lot further down your editing process automatically. So under the objects collection, there's actually a few different templates here. We have still life, brilliance, surface tension. You can kind of choose one that is the closest to a starting point that you like. We're both feeling this perfect macro here, right?
Yeah, I like that one. It's a little bit softer than the other ones, and I feel like it just kind of like ever so slightly enhances things and gets you to a really, really good starting point where there's maybe only a few tweaks, if any, that we would have to make from here. It kind of warmed up the photo a little bit, and our style is definitely a little bit more warmer, not super contrasty, not super saturated. We just kind of like the softer, warmer, a little bit more natural looking type photos. So this has gotten us to a really good starting point, but we can still come up here and edit a few things if we want to. We can warm up the overall image just a little bit, kind of give it, I don't know, maybe a slumber party cabin feel if we want. Maybe make those feathers pop just a smidge on the exposure. I love how their socks have just kind of caught the light and everything's all fuzzy. I think that's so cute. Contrast just a little bit. So you can see that the template already enhanced the photo. You can do it just a little bit more if you want to. I would maybe go just a little bit more, not a ton. And then you can see just the before and after. It just brings the photo a little bit more to life, a little bit warmer, and I don't know, to me that's a winner. What do you think?
I love it, but what I love even more is that we edited that in maybe 10 to 15 seconds.